BP pressure, not building up, maintaining. Close BP angle, cock of loco towards train. Check BP gauge in both cabs. If BP pressure is building up, check the train for any leakage. If BP pressure is not building up, ensure MR pressure is above 8 kg per centimeter square. Ensure isolating cocks of DAB A9 are properly open in the driving cab and closed in non-driving cabs. Ensure LT cock open. MU 2B is in lead position. No leakage from C3W distributor valve. If there is leakage from mechanical IP valve E3W, ensure QVCD is in de-energized condition. If energized, troubleshoot for VCD. If unsuccessful, isolate mechanical IP E3W valve. On trailing locos in MU consist or dead loco. Ensure IP valve is isolated. Ensure LT cock is in closed position and MU to be on trial position on trailing locos. Check leakage from DAB A9. Operate A9 few times properly. Drain the moisture in MR. Gently tap C2 relay valve for BP charging if necessary. Operate few times D1, D2 emergency valve if necessary. If unsuccessful, change the cab and work the train from rear cab, rear loco after isolating intermediate BP angle cock. In MU consist as per GR and SR rules in force.